everybody involved in this area is interested in it. There is, you know, this is not the kind of industry for people who like to know what's going to happen next, because it is constantly surprising, and it's constantly changing. And there are, you know, not a week goes by without something coming along that really just, you know, is mind-blowing.
I like working in the digital sector because there's always something new to learn. It's really fast moving, it's really exciting, and there's always different people to meet, different projects to work on, and different technologies to learn about.
Our industry moves so fast, so not only does new stuff come out on an almost daily basis, but the whole industry as a whole is changing very fast. So you think about maybe 5 years ago, if we talked about Facebook or Twitter or even the internet and mobile devices, and they were very much in their infancy. Now the whole thing has changed so quickly, and so for me it's just the pace of change. There's always something new, it's all really exciting, and so every day I get to work and I read the news and I find out there's new stuff happening, and that's really exciting for me.
I think it's the fact that not many people know about it yet. It's still up and coming, so it is quite exciting. There's always, my friends always say, like, what do you do? And when you point out different things that the company does, people don't actually expect that to be done here in Sheffield especially. So there's always something new, there's always different ways you can move throughout the companies, because it's always changing. So
we cover everything from the programming aspect all the way through to make sure the disks are in the machine and they're working properly, to the network wires are there.
The skills you need to have a lot of attention to detail. You need to really care about your job, and you need to be able to put in the hours that it requires. You also need to learn constantly. You need to keep a constant lookout for what's coming up, and different things that could benefit your clients or your websites, your online technologies. There's always something new to learn, and you've just got to be open to that.
I like the diversity. One day you can be working on a Linux system, doing some web hosting. The next day it can be a Windows system. The next day it could be something like OpenBSD. It can be for different clients, from a small client with a small website of maybe only 1,000 visitors a day to a massive client with 500,000 visitors a day, and how all that scales, and just the fast pace of the technology world. We're always having to learn, we can't stand still, there's always a new challenge.
If you're looking to go into the IT sector, I think you need to be able to quickly understand and keep pace with change. So I think you want to be interested in what you're looking at. So if you already had an interest in, for example, mobile devices or the internet or website development, or, you know, IT hardware as a whole as well, having an interest is always a great start, because the best people are the people that really are passionate about change. They like to see what's going on and going forward.
Always willing to learn, never standing still. A good understanding of how to find a root cause of a problem. It's very much a problem-solving kind of area. You might have some developers come to you with a programming problem, and although you don't understand the programming language they're using, you still have to be able to find exactly what's going on and fix it, to see whether it's a network issue, it's a security issue, or it is just their code and why their code's broken.
The thing I like best about working in this sector is that it's fast moving, it's exciting, there's always something to learn, and there's so many people that are involved in it now. It's just ever growing, so there's always a different place for you to move on to.
I enjoy the fact that it's always changing. It's never the same thing every day. It's always something different, which is great from my view.